Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to trim videos on your iPhone. I've recorded one sample video on my iPhone to show you the process. Open the video that you want to trim on your iPhone. So here the video is playing and in the bottom of the screen you can see the timeline of the video. To edit the video, tap on edit. And you'll see all these options and you can play the video from here and you can do many things from this app. On the bottom of the screen there is the timeline of the video. So to trim the video you have to move the arrows on the end of the timeline of video or the beginning of the timeline. So you can trim the video from the beginning also, from the end also. You just have to tap on the arrow and slide it. From which point to which point you want to trim the video, just select it and tap on done. You can save it as a new video or replace the original video with this cropped video one. This is all the things you need to do. Thank you for watching.